Hey everyone, so today I want to give you a quick intro to RegSage. So when you're on board with us, you create a set of trackers, and this allows you to create a customized taxonomy of all the relevant compliance topics, regulations, services, or jurisdictions where you might have licenses or business entities that you'll want to track. You can do this with literally any keyword, any service line, any business, any license. So when you create those trackers, what you'll see here is we create a curated newsfeed of all the latest updates for you. So if we sort by risk here, you can sort by different features here or attributes. You get the highest risk impact updates for your business and specific to each of your profiles. And so you can filter by different profiles. Here we just have one, or different trackers in this case. You can also filter by different document types. You can filter by different jurisdictions and also by the different authority. And as well as that, you can also filter by different compliance topics that we've highlighted for you. What we do is we create a curated newsfeed just for you. So you'll get all the updates that are just relevant to your business. And so here we can open up one here from the PSR. Some of their changes recently, we have the source text on the right. We can chat further with the document, dig into the obligations that might be required here, or even actually look into the exact part of the text where these highlights were pulled from. And so we know exactly what we're dealing with and where the data came from. And this allows you to get a distilled view of what's going on and give you an interpretation of the document so you can get to your obligations and action on them much more quickly and get clarity on what's actually going on in this document. So here actually we can open up the source document. Here we have a change document here from the PSR. We give you a distilled view of what's going on here. Giving this whole feed is giving you access to over 700 global regulatory sources that we're exhaustively scanning every 3 to 5 days, and we're giving you real-time updates as we're pulling that data back in and highlighting it to you so you're able to find the needle in the haystack. As well as that, we globally translate all sources. Now moving on to our AI search capability, what this exposes is our whole corpus of documents, which is over millions of documents here. And you can ask literally any question you want, filter it by different jurisdictions, document types, authorities, topics, etc. What this enables you to do is it gives you cited reports and tailored Q&A insights for interpretation of these regulatory documents. So let's try a question here. KYC requirements. So here we pull in a number of sources here from Lawcom, OSC, and you can also filter the sources if you prefer. And so what we have here is a breakdown here of reports what the KYC requirements established. We have different processes, and we get a breakdown of exactly where this came. But we have actually a breakdown here from Canada around this, around the relevant insights here, and what we need to do. And then we also have an update here from Lawcom, and we can actually see exactly where the text came from. We can highlight it exactly, and we can also view the source text if you want. This reduces your reliance on external legal support, speeding up your compliance workflow, knowing exactly what you've got to deal with and the requirements around particular questions or topics, which could be figuring out your new KYC flow for a new jurisdiction. And it speeds up all those compliance workflows for new markets, new regulatory obligations, new regulations coming out, new business models, etc. You can get to clarity and actionable next steps quickly. All right, thanks very much.